Hello, kids. Welcome to Kidsy. Here is the rhyme of a sparrow and her two babies. In a nest so warm and high lived a sparrow 'neath the sky. With two small chicks so soft and new, she chirped with love, "I'm proud of you." She kept them seeds and sang all day while teaching them to hop and play. She fluffed their wings and kissed each head, then tucked them in their feather bed. The wind would blow, the rain would pour, but Sparrow guarded nest and more. She kept them safe through storm and night and filled their dreams with songs of flight. The sun came out, the breeze was kind, and flying lessons came to mind. Just flap your wings now, one then two, the sky is waiting just for you. With wobbly wings they took the air, and Mama cheered from down the stair. She watched them soar so brave and true, her heart was full, her babies flew.